a short while ago and offered to resign. The Congress core group is scheduled to meet later today, and sources have told NDTV that the Prime Minister and Sonia Gandhi will take a final decision on whether Bansal's resignation will be accepted or not. Bansal's nephew Vijay Singla was arrested by the CBI late last night for allegedly accepting a bribe of 90 lakh rupees from a member of the Railway Board. It's been alleged the Railway Board members Mahesh Kumar offered a bribe to Singla as he wanted a different posting. The minister's nephew was arrested in Chandigarh. Mahesh Kumar was arrested in Mumbai. The arrests follow a tip-off after which the CBI tracked Mahesh Kumar's movements and phone calls. The CBI says they caught the minister's nephew as he was accepting the bribe. Sources say Singla had demanded a bribe of 10 crore rupees initially, but the deal was eventually settled at 2 crores. Both Vijay Singla and Mahesh Kumar will be brought to Delhi on a transit remand. Well, Pawan Bansal, who finds himself at the centre of this storm, had earlier issued a written statement clarifying his position. He says, regarding yesterday's incident, I had no knowledge or clue about the matter at all, though a close relative has or any other relative of mine does not and cannot meddle in my official functions or influence my decisions. There's also no business relationship between him and my family. I have always observed the highest standards of probity in public life, and I look forward to an expeditious investigation by the CBI into the matter.
Would you say that he should step down?
I don't know about him, but if there was a little iota of perception, if I would have been around, first of all, this would not have happened for sure. And even if something like this would have happened, I think as a minister must say that, look here, I would step down till the inquiry is complete. Railway is our property. You, me, everybody is a shareholder. And it's stinking, it's rotten. And I think Prime Minister has to step in and clean the system.
The embers of 2G and Colgate is yet to subside. Now we have got the railway gate. This government is no more a government of common man. It is a government of wheelers and dealers, brokers and middlemen. Corruption in this case, pecuniary advantage by someone close to the railway minister, seeking that pecuniary advantage, abusing the authority of the railway minister, is a copybook case of prosecution of Mr. Bansal. Therefore, in addition to demanding he be sacked, the BJP would like that the CBI must prosecute him.
All the good efforts for transparency and a good work culture, which Mamata Banerjee as railway minister tried to do in her time, we are feeling very saddened today. We are quite convinced that this shameless Congress-led UPA 2 government, they will carry on like this in spite of all these scams popping up. First it was once every week, now it has become once every day, soon it will become once every hour.
Question marks over Union Railway Minister Pawan Kumar Bansal after his nephew and a senior Railway Board official arrested over bribery charges. We have Mr. Mohammad Salim of the CPM to talk about this. In your opinion, sir, many are saying that Mr. Bansal should perhaps step aside right now and let an independent probe take place. What is your opinion on this?
That my party will come out with a statement from Delhi, but we are saying from very beginning that UPA 2 is shrouded with mystery, and UPA 2 is now totally exposed what kind of scams were there from rail, kale, tail, everywhere you go, and from 2G scam, from Commonwealth Games, and now in this case also. And this is very serious because railway is the lifeline of this country, and in a poorer country like us, the entire railway system is now gone, and first time someone from the position of board member is now being accused and probed. So, and because of the relationship of the minister also, it will be the fittest of the thing that someone should own the moral responsibility and step down. But gone are those days when the ministers used to own the responsibility. But I think the Prime Minister should ask, or the Minister himself should offer that.
Thank you, sir. There you heard Mr. Salim calling for tough action and calling for Pawan Bansal to step down right now. With camera person Naveen, Alok Pandey, NDTV.
सर, रेल मंत्री का भांजा गिरफ्तार हुआ है, उस पर कांग्रेस पार्टी का क्या कहना, विपक्ष इस्तीफा मांग रहा है।
देखिए, रेल मंत्री ने खुद अपना स्पष्टीकरण दिया है और उन्होंने कहा है कि इसकी पूरी जांच होनी चाहिए। मैं नहीं समझता हूं कि इससे अधिक उनसे कोई अपेक्षा की जा सकती है। जो लोग इस्तीफा मांग रहे हैं उनको कुछ शायद इस्तीफा मांगने का रोग हो गया है।
And those protests taking place, the BJP gathered outside Pawan Bansal's residence in Chandigarh demanding his resignation. Of course, this latest scandal involving the rail minister's nephew and a bribe of 90 lakh rupees only adding fuel to the BJP's fire against the government. These protests only growing. My colleague Ketki Angre now joins me for more on this story. Ketki, one scandal after another, the BJP's demands growing for the government to step down, resignations of ministers, one after the other they are calling for. Where is this all going to end?
Well, it's certainly providing the much needed fodder for the opposition to make an issue of this, and they're not certainly losing the opportunity once again. They're calling it a government of wheelers and dealers, and that's something that they are particularly going to use even when the parliament reconvenes once again on Monday. Now, we know that Pawan Kumar Bansal himself has offered to resign, to step down. It's a decision now that the Prime Minister will take in consultation with the Congress President Sonia Gandhi later this evening at a core committee meeting that the Congress has called for. But certainly it does seem like this government is just hurtling from one crisis to another, particularly with what we've seen in the last week. No work having happened in the parliament, continuous disruptions, asking for the resignation in the law minister's case, asking for his resignation, asking for the Prime Minister's resignation. Certainly now the opposition is not going to let go of this, given that it has come at a time when already the government is facing a barrage of corruption charges. Maya?
Right, Keerthi, thanks very much for joining us with all those details. The protests growing outside Pawan Bansal's residence as well, the BJP calling for the government to ask him to step down, calling this a government of wheelers and dealers.